Episode 387, Meta's AI Ad Connectors.
The primitive forms of artificial intelligence we already have proved very useful.
AI is a golden opportunity.
How do we ensure that this technology is regulated?
The long arc of technological history is now in an extraordinary new phase.
The AI6 podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
You can now run your ads from inside Claude or ChatGPT because Meta opened its advertising system to the AI models and any AI assistance that supports the Model Context Protocol. This means you can now manage a Meta ad campaign by typing instructions in plain English from inside the AI tool you already use every day. Hello and you're very welcome back to AI6. I'm Joanne Sweeney on a mission to upskill 500,000 people in AI in just 6 minutes a day. If you run paid social, manage ads in-house or work in an agency, this episode is especially for you. The product is called Meta Ads AI Connectors. It went live in open beta last month. An MCP server at mcpfacebook.com/ads is one of the technologies, and then a command line tool for developers. MCP, as you may know, stands for Model Context Protocol. It's an open standard published by Anthropic in late 2024 that lets AI assistants connect securely to outside systems without each one needing a custom integration. Basically, Meta has built a single secure bridge between your ad account and any AI assistant that speaks MCP. You log in once with your normal Meta business credentials. The AI then has authenticated access to your live ad data. Meta's own statement puts it like this: every advertiser and agency should be equipped with AI superpowers in every tool they already use. So here's 4 things you can do. First, performance reporting. You can ask Claude or ChatGPT for a breakdown in natural language by prompting. You can say, hey, what were the top 10 ad sets by return on ad spend in the last 7 days with frequency and cost per 1,000 impressions? So that kind of report previously might have taken you 30 minutes in Ads Manager. Now it just takes you asking. The second way you can use it is campaign management. The agent can create campaigns, adjust budgets, change audiences, pause ad sets, and then even reactivate them. Every right action requires you to approve it before it executes. And that approval step is your governance checkpoint. And you never bypass it. And then number 3, catalog management. The AI can build product catalogs from your existing product data, fix feed issues and troubleshoot visibility without you leaving the chat. Really helpful. And then number 4, signal diagnostics. It can review your pixel health, conversions, API setup, and even event quality. The audit work that nobody enjoys doing and can take days that will actually optimize your campaign or understand it after it's over. And maybe you might want to cast your mind back to episode 286 when I covered Meta paying $2 billion for Manus, the autonomous AI agent built in China, and then relocated to Singapore. Meta's plan was to build Manus straight into Ads Manager and own the agent layer themselves. However, at the end of April, 2 days before the connector's announcement, China's government blocked the deal. The Wall Street Journal reported that Meta is now preparing to unwind the acquisition because Meta lost its proprietary agent strategy, but it went ahead with something else a couple of days later. Google had also released its Ads MCP, but way back in October 2025. Amazon Ads followed in November 2025. So Meta is the last big platform to open it up. So what does it mean for agencies and in-house ad managers? Well, your value stops being how fast you click through Ads Manager and pull the data. The agent does that part now. Your value becomes designing the workflows, setting the spend thresholds, deciding what the agent is allowed to do without sign-off, and auditing what it actually did. But write a policy on what actions need human approval. Make sure that budget changes above a threshold, audience expansions and campaign creation have rules before the agent is left to deploy. And then also do an audit trail. Log every prompt, every approval, and every change that the agent makes. If something goes wrong, you need to be able to reconstruct what happened. And then you need a creative brief. This is for the agent. So, if you're an ads manager, if you want to plug your meta ads into your preferred AI model, go ahead and do it. And then join me on the podcast to let me know how you got on. That's it for today's show. If you're ready to turn these insights into skills, here's how I can help. Get your copy of my book, AI Playbook, on Amazon. It's the perfect companion to the show. For weekly AI strategy, subscribe to my newsletter, Human in the Loop, on LinkedIn. Or if you want to take the next big step, you can take our CPD accredited professional diploma in AI. Maybe you need something more tailored for your organization. You can book a call in my calendar at digitaltraining.ie. Or if you work in government or public sector, go over to publicsectormarketingpros.com. If you found this episode useful, please share it with a pro that you know. And I'd love to read your comments on Spotify. And if you can, take a second to like, rate, or subscribe wherever you listen. It really helps the show. This is AI6. I'll talk to you on the next episode.